Well, good morning, gentlemen. We at NCS Fluid Systems out here today at a job site in the Lower Mainlands, where we're basically doing a big well pointing job. As you can see, the excavation is absolutely dry and the well pointing system running on the perimeter. That water is being treated for iron, which is a background problem in this area. Here is our iron treatment setup. So that's our collection tank with a bunch of pumps. They go through our chemical pumps, which is the coagulant and the polymer, into a nice little floc tank, and they end up over here, which is our settling tank, and right on the top you could see a ton of iron sludge. This orange sludge settles out, and then right out here you see flocs formation. After going through a bunch of settling tanks, we pass the water through sand filters and bag filters, polish the water, and discharge it. Hang in there for my second video. I will show you the water results before and after too. Thank you and have a great day.